Video 308, we have some crazy optimizations. You might want to go here. You are here on the shorter playlist. If you understand bit packing, maybe you don't. So in the Art Girl Crazy Bitch macros right here, we have added a tag to find this section, and then some two disallowed variable names. In the fragment shader optimizations, we have turned optimization 1 on because these two tables do not exist yet. In ArtGirl shader macros, we have added this number because we're going to use it as a lookup table. And in the inline macro functions, a tag to find it. And these lookup tables to convert the layer to the lateral multiplier x or y. A tag to find the texel fetch inline macro function. In shader 7, in the main function, we've added lateral span and diagonal offset variables, and we're going to calculate them in the optimized section. So this section is no longer compiling because these variables here don't exist yet. Down here, though, we have two lookup tables. So are you doing crazy bitpack stuff to convert the tile size exponent to the correct lateral offset? So if you take a power of 2 and shift it to the right, you get all of the other lower powers of 2. And then for the diagonal offset, it's a little bit crazier. In fact, I don't have time to explain it. We do have a nice little diagram down here for you if you want to see how the math works, but otherwise you can just trust that it takes in a tile size exponent and it spits out the correct diagonal offset. So it's the equivalent of the lookup tables. We'll do this in the next video here, and what we did previously, and what we did in this video. So with that said, you might want to go to the longer playlist. You have been here. You can get the source code here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. Oh, what the hell? I'm still recording.